everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. And how are you today? It's so good to hear from you, and I hope that you guys are ready for today's lesson. So let's get right into it. Can someone tell me what animal is on their screen? It is a cow. Yes, that's a cow licking your screen. I can hear some of you saying that. Oh my goodness, miss, that's so nasty. But yeah, it's a cow. And a fun fact about cows is that they can sleep standing up. And I think that's so cool because I would love to be able to sleep standing up. That way, I wouldn't fall over or anything like that. Especially when I'm having a new hairstyle. I think that'd be really cool if I could sleep standing up so I don't rumple my hair. But I don't know if you think that's cool. Do you think that's cool? Okay, one more time. Just have to have a cow licking the screen one more time. All right then. Now let's get into our math lesson. Days of the week. Let's go. Days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. What day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Monday. Yes, yesterday we started our school week. And then that means, what day is it today? Today is Tuesday. Great job. Yes, today is Tuesday. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday, and it would already be in the middle of the school week. Time is going so fast. So today is Tuesday, the 9th of February in the year 2021, and this is grade 1 maths. The number of the week is 5. Last week's number of the week was 6. This week the number of the week is 5. This is how the number 5 looks in words. F-I-V-E, 5. This is how the number 5 looks in figure. Shaped like that. Could you count 5 on your fingers for me, please? Let's make 5 fingers. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome job. That's 5 fingers. Let's do it on the other hand now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. And this is how the number 5 looks on a domino or a dice. So it makes, these are how the dots look. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how on a domino on a dice, this is how the number 5 looks. And how do we write the number 5?
How do we write the number 5? Down, around, and a flag up high. That's the way to make a 5. Let's try that again. Go down, around, and a flag up high. That's the way to make a 5.
Your turn.
Let's see if you can say it this time.
Down, around, and the flag up high. That's the way to make a 5.
Nice job.
Great job. And fun fact about the number 5 is that you have 5 senses. Let's check our senses together. We have our sense of sight. That means how you see. What do you touch? Your eyes, right? Yes, you see with your eyes. You have your sense of hearing. Touch your ears for me. So you have your sense of hearing. That's 2. Your sense of touch. We were using our hands to touch our eyes and our ears. So yes, you have your sense of touch. And your nose, you have your sense of smell. You use your nose to smell. And with your tongue, stick your tongue out. And with your tongue, we have the sense of taste. Okay, so those are your 5 senses, and that has to do with the number 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Hold up 5 fingers. Yes, your 5 senses. Now let's move on to sets. So far we've been looking at sets. By now you should know what a set is. I wouldn't even have to do this, but I'm going to review it nevertheless. A set is a collection of objects. I know you're finishing my sentence for me. The objects in the set can be the same. Yes, they can be the same. The objects in the set can be Different. Great job. A set with no objects is an empty set. Lovely. And equal sets have the same number of objects. So remember, we were looking at a hungry alligator, right? And the equal sign is basically the alligator saying, I don't know what to do. I don't know where to go. I don't know which one to eat. They're both the same. So he just can't make up his mind. So he has to look directly at us now. Equal sets have the same number of objects. These sets are not equal. The set of lizards has one more than the set of cats. So we know sometimes sets aren't equal and we have to use this special sign, the more than or less than sign, the greater than or less than sign. We have to use that sign to show which set has more than the other, right? That's our hungry alligator. So we're looking at sets more than and less than. So this is the gator. The gator would open its mouth to the more than side. It wants the bigger number. And it would turn its back now to the less than and say, oh, that's too small for me. I don't have time with that number. I want the bigger one, the more than side. And you can look this direction as well. If the more than set is here, it would face that one. And its back would be turned to the less than. Again, mouth open, bigger number. Back turn to the smaller number. If the bigger number is on this side, mouth be open, back turn to the smaller number. So remember, it's greedy, it's hungry. It's just like, I want the most things to eat. I want the bigger number to eat. So that's why its mouth is open to the bigger number, right? So let's look at these two sets to refresh our memory about the more than and less than side. I have over here on this side, we have a set of birds. How many birds are in this set? There are 4 birds. Yes, there's a set of 4 birds on our left hand side. And on our right hand side, how many birds are in this set? There are 3 birds there. Now, which way would the sign be looking? Which has more? The set of 4 has more. So then its mouth will be open to the set of 4 because the set of 4 has more than the set of 3. It actually has 1 more than the set of 3. Let's continue. Now today we're going to be looking at something new. We're going to be creating the sets to match the sign. So we have to look at the direction of the sign and be able to figure out, oh, it's turned to this way, so then we have to put more here. Oh, it's turned that way, so we have to put less there. Okay, so we're going to be practicing that together. So first, let's check how many lady birds we have over in this set. How many do you see? Count it, let me hear you. Great counting. There are 6 ladybirds in this set, and the sign's mouth is open, the gator's mouth is open to that set. So that means this one would have more than this set, right? We're going to now look at our number line because we want to decide how many ladybirds we're drawing in the other set. We want to fill it in. We don't want it to be an empty set. So let's look at the number line. Can you point to the number 6 on the number line for me, please? Nice job. There we go, number 6. And now we're going to look behind of number 6. 1 space behind of number 6. That's to the left of number 6. You found it? What number is directly behind of number 6? That is number 5. So number 5 is 1 less than number 6. So therefore, we have to draw 5 ladybirds in this set. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Yes, so now it makes sense. The whole thing is finished. We have the mouth open to the set of 6 because 6 is more than this set of 5. Lovely work. Let's continue. So here now I have a set of 2 kites. See the 2 kites in that set? But the gator's back is turned to the set of 2 kites. So that means we have to draw more kites in this set. Exactly, because the mouth is open to that side. Now let's go again over to our number line to see how many we'll be drawing. We have to draw 1 more. Do you know what number is 1 more than 2? Let's see if you're correct. So first we're going to look for the number 2 on the number line. We found the number 2. Do you have it? Yes, good job. So there's number 2, and now we have to look for the number that is 1 more because the gator was turned to the other set. So we have to look for the number that's 1 more bigger than 2. So we're going to look to the right. Do you see the number that's 1 more bigger than 2? It is the number 3. Yes, great job. So the number 3 is 1 more bigger than 2. So we have to draw 3 kites in this set. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Great job. So now this is complete. So the gator's back is turned to 2 because that's less, and it's open to the 3, which is more. Excellent work. Now let's try together. Let's do some more practice. So here I have sets of butterflies, but it's not finished. We need to put in some more butterflies in the other set. How many butterflies do you see here? Nice work. And the gator's mouth is open to the butterflies, a set of 3 butterflies. So that means this one is smaller. This one is going to be less than. So let's go to our number line, find the number 3. Do you see the number 3? Nice work. Now we need to look for the number that's 1 less than 3. We're going to look to the left. So let's see the number that's right behind of 3. What number is right behind of 3? Closest to it there. It's number 2. Number 2 is behind of 3. Nice work. So now let's go back to our set. So we know that the number 2 is 1 less than 3, so we're going to put 2 butterflies in this set. Let's go. 1, 2. We have 2 butterflies in this set. Now this makes sense. So we have the gator's back is turned to the set of 2, which has 1 less than the set of 3. The mouth is open to the 3. It wants to eat 3 butterflies. Let's continue. How many strawberries do you see in this set? How many? Great counting. There are 6 strawberries in this set. That was the number of the week for last week. And the gator's back is turned to the set of 6 strawberries. So we have to draw more in this set. Now let's look at our number line. Let's find the number 6 on the line. Nice job. Now we have to look for the number that's 1 more than 6. So we'll be looking to the right of the number 6. The number is 1 more than 6. 1 place in front of 6 is the number 7. Nice work. So we will have to draw 7 strawberries in this set because the gator's mouth is open to this one. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice work. Oh, look at this here. How many hearts do you see in this set? 5. Yeah, 5 is the number of the week. But do you notice the sign? What sign is that? That is an equal sign. Great job. Nice. Give me a high five. Great job. It's an equal sign. And what does it mean when there's an equal sign again? I think I forgot. When there's an equal sign, it means that they'll be the same. And if they're going to be the same, then how many would I have to draw in that set? There are 5 over here, so we'll have to draw 5 on this side to make sure that they're the same. So let's go and draw 5 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are they the same? Yes. Are they equal? Yes, because they have the same number in each set. I threw that in there to surprise you guys and see if you remember about your equal sign. Yes, nice work. You did an excellent job. So remember that the gator, sometimes the gator doesn't know where to go. When the gator doesn't know where to go is when the sets are equal. When looking at you like, I don't know which one to eat. So these two have to be the same. That's when you see your equal sign. Alright? Now it's your turn. You're going to practice for me. Turn to page 67 in your math textbook and you're going to do exercise 3. Now for those of you that went ahead and completed exercise 3, I have some practice for you guys here. So you'll be doing these for me. Mummies, daddies, uncles, grandpas, grannies, aunties, could you please draw these in your child's book for me, please, and let them fill in the missing objects in the sets. Thank you very much. 1, number 2, and number 3. And that will be all. So bye bye. See you guys in the next lesson. Enjoy your day.